There is a new feature in Penspring for the students to request rubric preview feedback. This helps the student to improve their paper on their own before grading. The feedback does not provide edits, but only comments on the related sentences.
The teacher has the option to allow this feature on any given assignment. You can turn that on when creating a new assignment or after you add a rubric to an existing assignment. Let's add a new assignment with a blank document for all students to write. We will call this assignment Rubric Preview Test. We will not put any instructions in. On the next view, we can add or choose a rubric.
Of course, you can upload your own existing rubric. In this case, we're going to choose one that has 3 categories that will be interesting to compare. Now we have returned the assignment setup where a rubric is chosen and the question now shows up. The question is, let student use rubric preview feedback? We will click on yes and then finish the assignment setup.
We will publish the assignment so that our student Ada can see it. Notice that our rubric is listed here.
In Ada's assignment list, we will click on Rubric Preview Test. We are just going to paste in some text just to cut to the chase. Now, notice in the Grading tab, the first tab on the left panel, there is a button to get rubric feedback. But we can also have a rubric tab here that we can go to see the full rubric, just to see the varying rating scale descriptions. Back on the Edit Review page in the Rubrics tab, we see the points possible and the descriptions of the various categories.
Let's click on the button to get feedback. As soon as the review is done, we will be taken to the Edits tab. All of the comments will be listed all together. We see that there are about 10. When we click on the C sentence, the sentence on the right is highlighted and scrolled into view. We can then read the comment to see what we did well or what may be lacking.
Let's click back onto the Rubric tab, where we can see our preliminary score of each category. Notice that we got 2 out of 10 on use of sources, which is about right because we did not have any sources. In the organization and voice categories, we scored satisfactory.
With this feedback, we can evaluate our paper and improve upon it. Let's now go back as the teacher and see how we can turn on this setting when the assignment doesn't yet have a rubric attached to it. If we click on this new assignment we just created without a rubric, the rubric reference section has an Add button. We can upload an existing rubric, add a new one, or choose an existing one. But I'm not going to add it here just yet. I want to step back to show you that on the file directory, there is a pencil next to the rubric section on the file line. Clicking on that pencil will take us to the same place as before.
Let's choose an existing rubric. We get a message that the previously set points do not match the current points. This rubric has 30 points possible. We set the points at 14 before. We will accept the 30 points and continue on. Back on the file list, let's click on the assignment. In the dashboard, we find the rubric section and how the question appears. Let student use the rubric preview feedback. We will choose yes.
This ends this tutorial related to the feature for students to get proactive rubric feedback to improve their papers before they submit for grading.